For this video, we're going to fix the Lesson 13 Explore quiz. So you want to enter into FDSCI 101 into the content area, and then go ahead and go to Quizzes, and we'll go down here to Lesson 13 Explore. We're going to edit some questions. So the ones that we're going to edit today are the short answer, the ordered, and the other short answer. We're going to go ahead and do the ordered one first. This is a quick and easy fix on this one. Basically, this question wasn't giving the students the right amount of points if they got one wrong. And the reason for that is because this setting right here where it says right minus wrong needs to be changed to equally weighted. Save that. That should fix that issue. These ones, the short answers here, have a regular expression that's not working. So if I edit this, it's going to show me this code right here, which isn't something that I'm going to want. So I'm going to show you where to get the code from and how to put it in here for both questions, because they're both actually supposed to be about 30 words long. So going to go back to quizzes, and I'm going to go grab the code from the Lesson 3 Explore quiz because it has one where it's asking for 30 words. So I'm going to do add edit questions. I'm going to click on this folder here. I'm going to edit this specific question. I'm going to copy this code. To my Word document. I've already gone ahead and copied it into, not into a Word document, to Notepad. I've already copied mine in, and I've gone ahead and made sure that each piece of code is on a separate line because they have to be copied in individually, otherwise they run in a mass of code and it doesn't recognize each one individually. So once you have copied these, then we're going to go back to week 13 where we're going to replace the code that's currently there. And I'm going to have to change the text of the question as well. So okay, so I'm going to do add edit questions, explore. Okay, so for this short answer, I'm going to edit it. I'm going to change it to 30 words or more. In 30 words or more, describe if the theory of evolution is scientifically sound. What are some of the predictions we can make about the species on Earth? I'm going to get rid of this code here, and then I'm going to have to paste in each line of this individually. Also change it in the question library and click Save. And then you're going to need to do that exact same thing down here with this other short answer question that we did with the first short answer question. So that is it.